everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the channel Explore with Moin and Saadia. Today we are taking you on a special tour of one of the best hypermarkets and also the most popular shopping destinations in Dubai, which is the Carrefour Hypermarket at the Mall of the Emirates. If you have never been here, get ready to be amazed by the variety of products, unbeatable deals, and also the incredible shopping experience. So whether you are local or a tourist visiting Dubai, you are probably already familiar with Carrefour, one of the most trusted names when it comes to shopping. But what makes this Carrefour special is its location in the Mall of the Emirates, which means you have got everything you need all under one roof. One thing we really love about Carrefour is how quick and easy the checkout process is. I mean, whether you are shopping for a big weekly haul or just picking up a few items, they make it simple and efficient. Carrefour at the Mall of the Emirates is designed with convenience in mind. With wide aisles and organized sections, you can easily find what you are looking for. And they also offer delivery services, making it even easier for you to get your purchases home if you are too busy to carry them yourself. Carrefour is more than just a grocery store, it is also the place to go for electronics and home appliance. Whether you are upgrading your TV, looking for the latest smartphone, or grabbing a kitchen appliance, you will find great deals here. Look at these coffee mugs, aren't they so cute? They are so unique also. So if you want, you can buy some for yourself or you can buy some for your near and dear ones as well. Carrefour is known for its amazing promotions and discounts, so be sure to check out their loyalty program, which is called Carrefour Club, where you can earn points with every purchase and redeem them for exclusive rewards. Plus, they frequently offer discounts and bundle deals, so it's worth keeping an eye out for special offers that can make your shopping trip even more exciting. The best part of a shopping trip is the bakery section, right? And Carrefour doesn't disappoint. The aroma of freshly baked bread, croissant, and pastry will have you hooked as soon as you walk in. And if you are more of a sweet tooth, their selection of cakes, cookies, and pastries will definitely satisfy your cravings.
বাংলাদেশের 20টা ইউনিভার্সের সমান সাইজে যমুনা ফিচার মার্কেট ওয়ালমার্ট আছে না, ওটা না হচ্ছে বড়।
Carrefour brings a variety of organic options as well, so if you are looking to eat clean, you have got plenty to choose from. At the same time, Carrefour's fresh fruit and vegetable section is a sight to behold. Whether you are after locally grown produce or exotic fruits from around the world, you are bound to find exactly what you need here. And especially about the fish and meat section, as you can see, they have a huge variety of fish available there. So yeah, overall Carrefour at the Mall of the Emirates is more than just a hypermarket, it's a whole experience. From fresh produce to the latest gadget, home essentials, and even fashion, Carrefour has it all. So next time you are in the Mall of the Emirates, make sure to check it out, and trust me, you won't leave empty-handed. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for joining along on this tour with us today, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below to let us know what you are most excited to shop for at Carrefour. See you in the next video. Happy shopping! Oh, by the way, be sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more behind the scene content and exclusive updates. Till then, take care. Bye bye.